Did I? Oh, I did it. Okay. Jesus. Thank God. I didn't know. Oh, man, I've been struggling. I have been struggling. What am I streaming right now? I'm streaming the oh, myself and Godot. Okay, well, I had some technical difficulties. Hang on, let me put my let me put my headphones on. Man, I had some technical difficulties for like 45 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. I figured it out. I think. I hope. It looks like I figured things out. Oh no, I forgot to. See, now I'm forgetting things. I forgot to, I was gonna have background music. I gotta have background music. I gotta get some. Hang on. Let me find some background music real quick. Let's pretend that I have not started streaming yet.
Great.
Whoops. Shit. What? No, actually, let me go into this.
Keep.
This thing. La di da di da. Royalty-free audio tracks. Let's get some. Oh man, what should I get? Let's get some jazz, right? Some loop-de-loop. There we go. And what's this?
Audio Jungle.
Oh, that's gonna be annoying.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Audio Jungle.
Audio Jungle.
That's all. I don't know. I see this. I didn't mean to start the stream, right? But I've started it, and I'm just, you know, I'm afraid I don't know if I would manage to start it again. If I stopped it now, I would, but you know, I've started it, so let's just roll with it, you know what I mean? So yes, I'm looking for background music for the stream when I've already started the stream. It's whatever. It's okay, I don't think anyone's watching yet, so it's absolutely fine for me to be doing this.
Audio.
No.
Audio Jungle.
How? I also want to check if I'm, because whatever. Let's just get some.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, I kind of fuck with that. Let's do that. And just turn this on in the background. For God's sake. Let's just get this over with. Seamless loop. Play with the media player. Oh, that's loud for me, at least. I don't know what. Okay. Nice. All right. Man, what am I doing? Let's. God, I feel like I'm scared that the audio is way off. I think I gotta lower the volume in this because I think it's loud. Let's put it there. Let's check this. Yes, we have some desktop audio. Oh, I can lower it here as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lower it a little bit. Man, okay. Okay, let me get a link to this live stream. Oh my god. Hang on, I just gotta. Just skip. If you're watching the video, skip ahead. I'm telling you right now, skip ahead. I'm doing shit. I'm being stupid. Okay. So just bear with me. Right. Let me turn off the desktop audio there while I go in and check the stream. Wait, I thought am I not live streaming? Oh, man, I don't know what I'm doing, man. Honestly. I did. Am I live streaming? What's going on? I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, it's private. Oh my god. Oh, it's private. Oh my goodness. Thank God. Well, then I can cut this out. Alright. Shit. I've been stressing over this. Okay, let me turn on... Well, no, let me fucking... Fuck. Let me find the private one. I'm logged in, so let's go to my videos. Can I check my own stream right now? What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, it's that. I know what that is. Live streams. Can I find this? Yes, I can. No, I don't want to go into the... Let me go there. Alright, no, shush. No. Oh wait, okay, now this is the test, right? Does this sound good? Wait, what am I watching? Okay. The delay is This is my test of the audio levels. I'm talking, how's it sounding? This is my test of the audio levels. I'm talking, how's it sounding? This is my test of the audio levels. I'm talking, how's it sounding? This is my test of the audio levels. I'm talking, how's it sounding? we go. I want that to be up there, you know, so I can see it. All right, and that's fine. I got that out of the way. We got. Let me. I don't know what I'm doing. No, that's on. That can be like right there. Okay. And do I have the link for the stink? Right there, right? Okay. There we go. Now I'm officially gonna do this, right? I think it's public now. Boom. So now I'm finally getting somewhere with this stream. It should be public right now. Please be public. I need to put it in here as well. Let's do that. Yes, send it right now. Okay, now I just sent it in the Discord. All right, we are about to go crazy. We are about to go crazy. We're not, I don't know what I'm saying right now. Okay. Let's, actually, let me do this for a second. I'll be right back. All right. Cozy, noir background music. We're getting cozy in here. What up, man? Let me turn off the loading screen. Wait, I need to. Man. I'm not good at this streaming thing. Let me get that shit right. Okay. I think this is boom. Let me do this. Let's get to some game deving, right? Tell me, cause I've been flipping around with the audio levels of the background music. Do you even hear the background music? I don't know. Tell me if I'm stupid, right? Shit. I was thinking we were gonna do some mesh generation, you know, creating. Well, I don't want to give away too much. Well, I could, but I'm just gonna create a mesh, right? I want to create a mesh with the code, right? So, and by mesh I just mean a piece of land. But yeah, I really don't know where to start. I think maybe I should I should just stick to the, you know, keep it classic and start with a player character. That has nothing to do with mesh generation. It's just, you know, that's like in my pocket, you know. Character what's it called? Character movement? Yeah. Character thing. Maybe I should start with that. Basically, we gotta. Let me turn it to. Have you ever tried this game called Retro Gadgets? Man, is that your game? You just blast onto the stream with a. No, I have never tried that game. You know what? I am gonna Google it. Off screen. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. No, but as I was saying, we're gonna be. You know, I don't really know what we're gonna be doing. I just want to get into the game dev shit. You know what I mean? Get into my game dev bag. It's been a while since I sat down and game dev'd. Is that a word? So I just want, you know, now that, you know, you're watching me, it's like, oh, I can't really not do it now. Well, I could sit here and keep talking shit, right? But it's, I don't know, it's like now I have to do it because I don't have anyone, I don't have a boss telling me that I have to do this shit, you know? So it's hard to do it, to actually sit down and do it. What am I doing? Retro Gadgets on Steam, sandbox where you build, code, and customize gadgets inspired by old school electronics. Alright. Early access. Very positive. Dope. I mean, you just design gadgets. I don't know, man. Dude, I barely play games anymore. I just make them. And I barely do that. Right? You know, lately I've been just sitting in my couch, watching YouTube. That's what I've been doing. And you know, obviously I have a day job. And I've been, no, actually I was a teacher. I was a game development teacher, about a month ago. Teaching, indie dev marketing, right? So that's cool. Okay, whatever. I gotta start doing something. I gotta do something. It's an empty project in front of me, and first things first. Let me switch it. I got. Look at this. This is like the base thing, right? And then I have the talking view, and then I have the pause, loading screen with my name on it. That's cool. I'm proud of that. And this one is for the code. Look at that. Right? Perfect. God, it's been a while since I've been in Godot. Shitsk. You know, usually the first step when I make a project is to just copy some code from my older projects, right? But here's the thing, right? This is a laptop I'm on right now that I don't have my other projects on. So, you know, let me figure that stuff out. Uh, man, oh man, it's so, you know, this is the hardest part. This is the hardest part, right? Empty project, you know, infinite possibilities. That's like, man, I got a million paths to take here. I need to, but let me just tell you, I'm planning on making a Muck inspired game. You know Muck, by that big YouTuber guy, Danny, game dev YouTuber, Muck, Danny, you know him. That game, I want to basically make a copy of that, but with a twist, you know. I'm gonna make a desert world instead of a grass world island. So that, whatever, that's the kind of world, like a randomly generated mesh as the base of the world. That's what I wanted to try to do. But that's easier said than done, right? But I think I can probably do it, you know. I just gotta start somewhere, you know. Mesh. Yes, I'm googling right now. Godot 4 procedural. Not procedural. Is it procedural? If it's generated once, is that procedural? Or is that something else? Procedural is like, maybe that is the same thing. But procedural, I'm thinking like, you know, continuously generating when you keep walking and stuff. Maybe, I don't know. Mesh, rendering server, material override, packed vector 3 array. Oh man, this is like programming shit. And I know how to do that, but you know. Okay, you know what? You know what I just realized? Maybe when I'm coming fresh off of not game developing in a while, maybe I shouldn't jump into the deep end and do some mesh generation that I have never done before. Maybe that's not the right angle to approach this from. Maybe I should just ease into it, you know? I've barely used Godot 4, actually. I have played around in it, and I think I wrote a little script in it, you know, with the new GD script 2.0 or whatever. So I'm just gonna get started with some what's it called? Oh man. Is this what I want? Mesh instance 3D? Yes it is. That's exactly what I want. I want the plane mesh on that, and then I add a collider. Collision shape 3D, I mean. And we make that a box shape. Yes we do. I just need to remember how to do all this. Whoops, not that one. There we go. I always make the collider a box, even though the mesh is a plane, because I've had trouble with, you know, clipping through the ground when you're moving at high speeds. Man, I just tabbed away from the chat and I just stopped reading it. Yeah, I mean, copying like the biggest chunks of the game is like copied from either my own games beforehand or YouTube videos. Honestly, I'm gonna show you the YouTube video that I watch because I always forget how to do it, but I watch it every time I make a game. Uh, oh, and I also got this smoothie right here. It's actually not. I wouldn't call it a smoothie. It's not that good. It's like a super duper shake, like just packed with calories. I need some paper. Excuse me. Opinion on Unity? I am glad that I hopped off the Unity train a while ago. You know, started with Godot and kept going with Godot. I wouldn't want to be. I hate for the, you know, like the people who have spent all of their time in Unity and like only know Unity. It's like, that's gotta be a drag. But I played around in Unreal Engine before too, and I've been in Godot for, well, shit, 2 years now. I've been rocking Godot as my main engine. So I just feel bad for people who are kind of stuck to Unity, even either if that's through they have a project that's in Unity and it's like a year spent on that project, or they just only know Unity. I don't know. I that whole situation just gave me even more reason to just not go back to Unity. And I'm fine with that. I wasn't going to go back to Unity anyways, because I don't like it. I don't like it. Well, it's fine, but I don't like it more than Godot. Multi-mesh in Godot 4? See, that's the type of thing I need to look up what that even means. You know what I mean? Because, and that's boring. If I were to just sit here and Google stuff all stream. Well, you know, I'm quite a guy. I can probably make anything interesting, but I'm still not gonna do that. Squanch engine. Also, all the controversy around it. Controversy. That's how you say that word. I'm sorry. Squanch engine. I never heard of. What's the Squanch engine, man? Man, I barely want to Google it because I feel like you're just making things up. That doesn't sound like a real engine. It's not an engine. Oh man, and I really Googled. Is it an engine? No, it's not. Well, I Googled it. Oh man. I feel like I got rickrolled. Shit. I shouldn't have taken the bait. Yeah, Unreal Engine has always had, like, they're sticking to their guns. They've had the same thing for a long time, and I remember thinking when I was using Unity, like, oh, Unreal Engine, they take your money after a while. Unity doesn't do that. Unity's better. Well, now it's kind of like, shit, Unreal Engine is, you know, they're the good guys now. They were never bad, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. I need to start doing some development. Let me show you. Let me show you the YouTube video that I keep coming back to. Flax engine. Now I've heard of that. No way, there's an engine called Flax. Man, shut the fuck up. You're messing with my head. I'm afraid to Google stuff now because I'll look like an idiot. You know, from now on, when I Google stuff, I'm not even gonna tell you that I'm looking things up. I'm just gonna do it in silence. I'm not Googling Flax Engine right now. I'm not doing it. Because I know that's a real engine. A true game changer. The most agile game engine is now available. Full source code, full power, fully featured. I know that. Before before I read that chat message. Is it Flax Engine? I thought... No, I mixed it up with something else. Because Amazon had an engine back in the day. Lumber, whatever. Yeah. Well, forget about that. I've heard of Flax Engine. I was looking at Flax Engine. I think it was Flax Engine because I saw it like back in the day. Like back in the... Well, I don't know. When I say back in the day, I mean like 1 year ago, you know? That's back in the day. No, but I was looking at it because I was researching 3D engines that, you know... When I got into Godot, I was like, wow, this is a good 3D engine that's open source. Like, do we have any other good free 3D engines? And then I saw a couple engines. So, and I think I came across Flax Engine, but I've never used it. Yes, this is my new apartment. So right now I'm just sitting, it's a 1-bedroom apartment, so this is my like kitchen counter I'm sitting at. My kitchen is right there. It's nice. So that's why it's looking different, and this I just kind of haphazardly threw this setup together just to be able to stream, and just threw a screen up a computer screen on my kitchen counter. Because I was gonna stream with just the laptop, but then I realized that you can't stream with one screen. I mean, you probably can, but I can't, you know? Nice lighting. Man, I can do so much better with the lighting. But this lighting in the back is kind of nice. It's like yeah, there we go. I got colors on it. It's like cool like that. But I got it on blue because I'm trying to match the Godot colors with the lighting colors, whatever. Yeah, I made it Godot editor colored. That's, you know, well, that's as close as I can get, I think, because it's not like Philips Hue quality stuff. It's like a cheap thing. Came with the apartment, so I don't wanna shit talk it like, oh, it's cheap trash, but it is. Look, I gotta stop yapping. I haven't done shit. I can swear it's my channel. I haven't done shit. Oh my god, stop. I need to... Okay. Let's, I'm gonna show you, this video, this legendary video. I'm just gonna, wait for the ads to, oh wait, I can't, I'm streaming the, man, I got my, man, hang on, you know what I mean? You know what I'm trying to say? Am I being clear? Look, bear with me, I'm just gonna change, because I'm streaming like the application Godot, and I think I want to be streaming just the screen, just straight up, the straight up screen, you know what I mean? Here we go. Alright, check this out. check this out. This video by GD Quest with what do you call it? 3D movement, right? Like the title says. This video I come back to every time I start a project. Every time I start a project, I'm coming back to this video. Even now in Godot 4.0, I'm coming back to this Godot 3 video because it's mostly the same, but you know, I can translate the rest into Godot 4 things. This is great. This is a great video. And I recommend it, and I'm actually gonna I've watched it a 1,000 times, and I'm actually gonna just skip ahead. This is what I usually do. I skip ahead and just look at the code and go, oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. I remember now. So let's skip around a little bit. There we go, that's a beautiful piece of code. Shit, let's hop in here. And why is this one being... Oh man, I forgot the... Wait. Rigid static body 3D, that's right. See, I can't even make a static box without messing it up. Let's do that. All right. Now we have our plane. And then let me make a... How do I usually do this? I'm so rusty. No, this is not how I do it. Wait, how do I do this? Man, this is embarrassing. No, I remember. I click here. I click this thing and I make a new one. Do you see the point it's gotten to? Where I need to do character. When I need to do this, like character body, and then add a rigid. No, I'm not add a rigid body. Add a collision shape. Make it capsule. Drag it up, and the character's right there. Yes. Man, I barely know what I'm working on right now. I just need to make this character controller just to get back into the swing of things with Godot engine. 'Cause you know, it's bad. I can't. It's been a while, and I just need to warm up to the feeling of developing games. You know what I mean? Oh man. Okay, so I have a collision shape. Next step. Whoa, which one is it? Kinematic body. Now called character body. Speed, jump strength, gravity, velocity, snap vector, blah blah blah. Alright. Let's do that. Let's do the character control. I'm gonna name it player, actually. Movement. That's what I want to name it. Whoa! What? What kind of Godot 4 thing is this? Look at this. I just named it player movement and it just... Or is it... No, it's because I put a script on a character body, and then it just wrote the script, or it didn't write, it pasted a pre-written thing. Okay, well this is throwing me off, but it's cool. It's cool, it's cool. Character, yeah, sure, save it. Man, what? See, now I got, Is it a good default? Well, first of all, good, it's, I mean, I only glanced at it, but I can see I can make some improvements, you know what I mean? UI left, UI right, first of all, I'm changing the inputs. But, yeah, I guess it's fine. I'm actually gonna put this over here. Because I want get the input direction and handle the movement. Deceleration. As good practice, you should replace UI actions with custom gameplay actions. Oh man. See, I'm just reading off the script here. I thought I was smart. I was sitting here. I can think of some improvements. I should actually change the UI stuff to other inputs, and then that's literally what the fuck it says on the code. In the code. Okay. Well, first of all, let's just test the default script and see what's up before I go and make changes. Roots. And then I just want to drag in the character. Oh my god, the character. Hold on, I will fix it. I will add a little mesh instance 3D called capsule and drag it up. Right, and then this one, I'm just gonna ugly scale it, you know what I mean? Oops. I'm pressing all kinds of buttons. Oh. I need to shift click it. Oh, I'm forgetting to save things. See, I am beyond rusty right now. Why is this? Why do you have a little non-uniform scale? It's fine. It'll survive this character test. I will change the color. Oh, it was a pain in the ass to change the color, but I'm gonna do it still because I don't want the boom. There we go, and now drag the character in. And first of all, I don't have a camera. Oh, camera. Let's place it on the character for now. And okay, see, I've probably forgotten like 5 things, but I'm gonna just, oh yeah, lighting. How about that? Okay. We've got some movement with the camera. It's a start. See, now I'm thinking I gotta make like a little game jam game type thing before I before I start generating meshes in code and stuff. I really need to warm up. I want to. What do I want to do? Non-uniform scale. Well, first of all, let's add in some directional light, right? And by just doing that, we have the last Godot version that I used. Well, I've used Godot 4. I've made I barely made something in it. I've played around in Godot 4, but I mean 3.5 is you know, where I reside, where I did most of the stuff. Man, I don't. Is this a Godot 4 thing where you need to add like skybox? I mean, there's a skybox here, but do I just need to add a world environment? Is that the thing that's messing everything up? I need a world environment and background and sky. And then sky. We go new sky. I gotta do all this. New procedural sky. Boom. And then it looks like that. Okay. See, I get it. I get it. I know what I'm doing. Okay, look. I gotta get something, like something cool and playable done this stream, I'm thinking. And not just fumble around in you know what I mean? World environment with sky, yes. Man. So, somebody, if you have a like a quick, simple game idea, drop it in the chat right now so I can make like a game real quick. I made I made a game in whatever. I made a game. No, I was gonna say I made a game in one day once, but I don't have a whole day. Let me just make a little prototype of a stupid little game just to get back into the swing of things. Remake Pong, but you play as the ball. Yeah, you know what? No, I appreciate that. I'm actually gonna do that. Cause that's good. It's not gonna be a fun game, but I really don't care. Snake but 3D. Vampires poisoning a muddy town of Narc style insurgent townsfolk. Is that Narc style or is that NARC? NARC. What is that an abbreviation of? Been following my devlogs. Thank you. Green Serpent God. Maybe like chase moving or changing boxes. What are you talking about? Maybe like chase moving or changing boxes, like Simon says. The arcade game, Ghosts and Goblins. Okay, a lot of great ideas. First of all, Marcel, Snake but 3D is not within the scope of this stream. Okay, Snake but 3D is a hefty thing. Well, maybe it's not. Maybe it's kind of simple. But I like the Pong thing because it's simple and I can just make two paddles that just like animate them in the Godot animator or whatever it's called. Animator controller, maybe it's called. I don't remember. Remake Snake, but you play as the ball. Dude. What are we talking about? Make a hide and seek game with dumb AI enemies. First of all, AI, man, I can barely get a character to move right now. You know what I mean? With key inputs. Assume that I know I'm a god at game development, right? Assume that I'm a beginner right now, because that's what I feel like. That's what I feel like right now. I'm a total beginner, and I barely know left from right. Your brain is fried, dude. My brain is even more fried. You know what? I know what I'm gonna do. I have an idea of what I'm going to do. Let me get the because I have my old projects hidden away in my Google Drive. What I'm gonna do, no, actually they're on my Patreon as well. Haha, shameless plug. I can just download them from my Patreon. Let me. Oh, Skellington Glade, Crystal Hustle, King of the Hill, that's what I wanted. Yes, please. Let me get that King of the Hill. Man, my King of the Hill game is criminally underrated. It's a great game, okay? It's great in every sense of the word. And I'm gonna open up the project. Oh, it's Godot 3 point whatever. Shit. How do I do it? How do I open up the... Oh yeah, I have to... I get it. I gotta... Hold on. I got a bunch of stuff behind that thing too. Let's open up a new Godot window and just try... Desert Slog is this project. Import a project. Browse. Let me not browse my files on stream. King of the Hill. There we go. Import and edit. Convert the full... I'm not even reading this stuff. Whoa, I'm just clicking things. Platformer random is what it's called. Alright, I pressed some buttons and maybe Godot can convert it to the proper Thing-a-lang. Thing-a-lang-a-ling-a-lang. God, I'm so excited for this. And this other one, let's get rid of it. Now this is let's see, first of all, let's see how good Godot is at converting if I just try to play this game now without changing anything. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. Silent Wolf is the thing that's messing it up. No, it's not. No, it's not silent. It's OS. OS get time. Is it engine get time? Get time? Man, how do you get the time? It's not OS get time, it's get time. Man, what is it? It's still OS? This guy, this Godot, get time not found in base OS. Do I need... What's going on? Get something time. Get... Oh, well, I could just do this if I'm smart. OS dot get... Get what exactly? Get environment, get this, get that. Well, I thought it would be that simple. OS. What do you have for me, OS? OS. Da. Get Unix time from system time. Get See, I don't know why I'm making things hard for myself. Godot for get time. Well, time, Godot engine, and then I can get date. Oh, you actually write like, yeah, oh, it's time. It's literally time. Is that the thing? It's time dot get, and then I gotta get Unix time from sit. That's what you were saying? Yeah. I get it. Alright, well, that's the first error fixed. Are you ready for the next one? Yeah. OS get system time milliseconds. Time get milli. No, I can't search. I want to be able to, search in a... get Unix, get time, get Man, why am I patching up this scoreboard high score upload thing? Get date, get oh, get text millisecond. Yes, you're saving my life here. Okay, now let's try again. See, okay, now that's too much. That's too much. Already I see double red. I'm not doing this. This is just Silent Wolf shit, you know? Let me go into the let's forget about this. I don't want to patch up an asset that where is the not the main menu, but the world? Yes, that's what I call it. Here is the world. We've got the world. If I just run this scene. No, okay. Silent Wolf is messing it up. Oof. Damn. I've been so productive this hour. Man. Jesus, this is stupid. Streaming tool called Stream Avatars. Okay. What? What does it do? Yeah, I'm pissed off at this whole thing. Let me find a different project. This is, you know what? Let me think. Let me just bear with me. I'm gonna sit here and think for 10 seconds. I know what I'm gonna do. I think let me turn that off first of all. But when you create like a new project in Godot, whatever game development, create a folder. What I want to do is this is what I want. Asset library project, right? And I'm gonna start with an asset library project. So let's start there, because then it's gonna be Godot 4, it's gonna be boom. Starter kit city builder? Is that just assets? Building and removing structures. Oh, that's kind of cool. Amsg. Let me check this out. What's going on here? Oh, it opened up. I pressed this and it opened the YouTube link. Okay. Let's not do that. Quality first-person controller. Oh. This is actually a good first-person controller for Godot 4.1. Right. This makes me want to work on my own game in parallel. Yeah, go for it. I mean, that's what a lot of people do, right? When they watch game dev streams. I know people who just go back, or not go back, but they watch the video of my streams while they work on their game. just to have something in the background, you know. Simple multiplayer. There's no such thing. Name character, drag and drop inventory. You know what? I'm doing this starter kit city builder. I'm doing the city builder. Yes. Put it in the game dev. Create a folder, install and edit. And let's forget about the error filled one right here. I don't like it. I don't want to see it anymore. God. Man. Oh, here we go. Get rid of that. Okay. I'm thinking that Kenny knows what he's doing. So if I just press play. Alright, I can place roads and I can place them and I can move around with the camera and I can well, oh, I can switch the road. Alright. Okay. Very nice. That's a good base. Now I just want to dig into this, see how he's doing it. You know, let's dig into the code. Let's dig into the nitty gritty. Grid maps. This is a little complicated. Dynamically creating a mesh library, that's, you know. Is this all in one scene? I mean, no, obviously it's several scenes. Godot is built like that, but I mean, like, the whole game is just in the main thing-a-lang. Alright. See, this I thought I was picking like a fun little thing that I could expand on. This is complicated. This is complicated for me. I feel like, oh man, I feel like I shouldn't have just started streaming without having a plan, first of all. And I feel like I gotta, you know, warm up in my own time before I turn on the stream, the camera. But man, this is a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. I just gotta get good. You know what I'm trying to say? Man, let me just look at some other projects. I'm telling you right now, this stream is only gonna be me looking around at these asset library projects because I cannot. I'm too. It's late. My brain is. I've already sat at a desk at a computer and worked for the entire day. I just wanna. I can't be doing shit. I've never made a 2D game. There's a lot of 2D stuff here, obviously, since it's Godot. Turn a video into a game? How to make a game out of any video? What does that mean? What does that mean? I'm not gonna watch the video, but I'll watch it in my free time, spare time, whatever. No, not that one. I didn't want to download that one. I changed my mind. This is the one I wanted. The quality one with head bobbing. It lets you add sprite sheets and viewers can be. Oh, you're talking about the stream avatar thing. Sprite sheets and viewers can be various characters walking around on the bottom. I'm an inspiration? Damn. What is that compliment coming from? Thank you. Sprite. What? See, that's the sprite sheet thing. Man, I've seen Vimlark. You know Vimlark if you're tapped into the game dev scene on YouTube. He's got the monkeys running around on his stream. It's all these stream things. Like I don't even think I set up the chat box properly. I made a chat box. That's how savvy I am with the stream things. You see, whoops, I didn't mean to. You see this thing next to me, the black or blue box right here? That's where the chat is supposed to be, right? It's not though, because I don't know what I'm doing. But whatever, I'm gonna figure that stuff out. I was trying to do this with Streamlabs, but it just... No, wait, I am doing it. Oh, I am streaming with Streamlabs. Whatever. See, you look, I don't even know what I'm streaming with. That's like the level I'm on right now. Game development, select this folder, create a folder, install and edit. Let's check this project out. Man, I think I'm gonna stream like on Saturday as well. Maybe a little earlier since it's Saturday, or not. Maybe later. No, not later. Maybe. But then I'm gonna that stream's gonna be better. Shit, I'm gonna start streaming and I'm gonna know what the fuck I'm doing from the first minute. I started the stream. I started talking. I was like, oh my god, I started the stream. Oh, and then I talked for like 10 minutes, and the stream was private. I had put it to private on YouTube, so I switched it to public. Right? Ah, man, it was. I am fumbling in the dark. That's what I'm doing. Let's check this project out. I'm gonna stop talking about that. Let's check it out. What do we have here? We have a controller. Oh, this actually feels good. With the head bobbing and stuff. Yo, this actually feels good. He wasn't lying when he said... What'd he say? Quality first person controller, quality first person controller. I can vouch for it. Ooh, you see that? I would change that FOV thing. When I start sprinting, it goes, it goes, the FOV goes. Nice skybox, very nice. Oh, I could totally just make a stupid platformer, you know, like, whoops. Is there a kill box? Okay, see, now I have a task. Let's just make a kill box. Should be the simplest thing ever, right? Perfect task for me. And my simple mind. Simple task for simple-minded fella. Let's add something I would like to call what do I like to call it? See, I'm Area 3D. Oh, those monkeys are your stream avatars? Man, well then I know, that's cool. But I would, okay. So then I do know about the stream avatar thing. Was it called stream avatars? Whatever, I have to scroll back up the chat. Kill box. This is a kill box. Kill box. Monitorable. I want it to have its own layer. The mask can be what the player is. What is the player? Oh no, don't tell me you put everything on the same layer. Uh-oh. From now on, player is layer 2. Killbox is layer 3. Will collide with layer 2. And player will just... that's fine. And when the player enters the kill box, first of all we need a box for the kill box. Oh, I need to add a box. We need a box and we need to just, whoops, make it bigger. Okay, nice. No, let me make it incredibly huge. Alright, so when the player enters this kill box, the player must be reset to... what is the player's position in the world? Hello, what is your transform? Y3? Okay, so let me think. Godot, when this enters that, yeah, I need to go into the signals, area entered, body entered, body shape entered, body or body shape, I don't remember body shape. Connecting from, wait a minute. What's that? Oh, it's because it doesn't have a... I need to add a script to it. Boom. Right? That's what was wrong? At this point, I'm too afraid why you separate the collision layers. Yeah, the king's back. Yeah, thank you. The king is back. What do you mean, too afraid to ask why you separate the collision layers? Oh, you don't do that? Do you not do the separate collision layers? I won't shame you for it, just a little bit, you know. That's one of the beautiful things about Godot, is the collision layers that you can separate. You know, I love it. I love it. But I mean, basically, why you separate the collision layers is because, well, now I gotta think of a good use case for it. I just do it because I like. It's gotta be, you know, the player has one collision layer and you rename them too, so it's not named layer 2, it's named player layer. I have one for the environment, one for the player, one for enemies. Why do I do that? Shit, see, that's just muscle memory for me. I don't remember. Well, it's like, no, this is what it. See, because if the enemies shoot a projectile, right? If they shoot projectiles, then maybe you don't want the projectile to collide with the gun, right? So you can turn off the gun's layer on the projectile collision, and you can choose exactly what the projectile will collide with. You know what I mean? So the projectile will collide with the player and the environment, right? But not other enemies and not the gun. So it's a simple way to just check those things. But I don't remember. I just do it, you know, because I just feel like it's the right thing to do. Body. Let's if body get. Oh, hey now. No, actually, see this. Let me show you another use case. This kill box. See, I'm doing this if body. Probably I should be checking if I'm colliding with the player, right? But if I just go to the kill box and I say you are layer 3 and you only collide with layer 2, and layer 2, only the player is layer 2. So the only thing this kill box can ever collide with is layer 2. So I don't really have to check if it is the player, because I know it can be nothing but the player. So I go body dot. You can't set position in Godot. Oh, you go global position. See, now I'm getting to the. See, now I'm getting lost in the Godot 4 code. Now I don't know. You know what I mean? I work. Well, man, I wish game dev was my job. Well, it's not right now. I used to do like YouTube, try to do it full time. Not a good idea. First of all, I didn't make enough money on it, and also I burnt myself out. Right now I work a desk job that's not game dev, but I recently was a game dev teacher for 2 weeks. I'm working my way into the game dev world, but yeah, my day job is not game development right now. Maybe in the future, but I want to do it. I don't want to work at. Well, I don't know about what I want in the future, but I don't want to work at a game dev company or a game company, because I don't know. it's because then I have these, I can't make my own games at home because it would be competition with the company that I work in. There's like laws about that stuff, that you can't make games and profit off them at home if you work at a gaming company. So it would be like, oh, can I even do YouTube about game development? You know what I mean? It would be weird. It's rules and regulations and laws and stuff about that stuff. You want to hire people you're not used to hire? First of all, where'd you get your money from? You have an idea for a project. Cool. You should probably make like a prototype or something. Look, I gotta... Is it still Global Transform Origin? Or am I tripping? Because I remember this. We not autofilling anything for me there? Okay, now it's just messing with me. Why I need the autofill right now, because I can't. Global. I'm doing this. It's vector. Oh man, I always forget this. Is this right? Is this correct? Let me try this. From making stream avatars. Yeah, that's right. Shit. I forgot about that. Look, let's try this kill box. Oh man, I got it to work. I'm a genius. I'm a game dev god in human form. Did you see that? Did you see how when I jump down and touch the box, I just pop back up? Oh man, I did it all by myself, almost. One line of code. One line of code. Man, I should frame that line of code. Frame it, put it on the wall, so I can look at it every day. Nice. 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 So, okay, so what I have made this stream in total is one kill box. Oh, I moved the collision shape, but not the... Whatever, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. But I kind of want to fix it still. Put that to 0 and put the kill box to... I'm typing it in. Transform. -40. Whatever. Man. I made a kill box in a pre-made first-person controller scene. That's what I've accomplished this stream, and I'm not even kidding when I say that I need to stop streaming because, you know, I gotta go to bed. It's Thursday. I got work in the morning. Man, I really want to stream like properly. You know what I mean? I was so unprepared, you know? I just threw myself into it, and I've been yapping and just barely made anything. So I'm thinking, I'm not making any promises, first of all, but I'm thinking I'm gonna be streaming like Saturday or Sunday, you know, when I have a lot of time, and I'll do some, I'll make some, you know, I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do, because, you know, I'll change my mind and I won't do it. But man, I gotta just get you know, just sit and fuck around in Godot for a while, just so I know what's where and where's what. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I gotta get some better background music. No, you know what? I don't mean that. I kind of like this music, but maybe I should get some different. Whatever. This is what I accomplished this stream, and you know what? I'm proud of myself for it. But I will be back, my friends. I will be back. Yeah, but I actually gotta go to bed. It's not that late, but you know, I like to wake up early and seize the day. So I'm gonna end the stream, and I will see you at a later date. So now I'm gonna switch to the loading screen, and goodbye, my friends. Will you be dressing up for Halloween stream? Dude, of course. Did you see my... You did see my last Halloween stream. I wanna be like fucking Spider-Man this Halloween. You know what? Give me some ideas. No, you know what? I'm gonna end the stream first of all. Don't give me any ideas. I'm ending the stream. See you later. I gotta end it. I keep yapping. Goodbye. Go to bed. Go to bed. Yes, I can do Mary Jane upside